promises today of dreams between the night and silent streams. The sky in blue begins to